We at HCSS Group expertise in recruitment and executive search and are offering an excellent opportunity. Deputy General Manager or General Manager, Sales Data Center for German-based MNC, Head Sales and BD for Indian-based MNC, Purchase Manager for US-based MNC, Plant Controller for German-based MNC, AGM Purchase, Direct Material for German-based MNC, Senior Manager or Manager, Maintenance for Spanish-based MNC, Deputy Manager or Manager, Design for German-based MNC, AGM or DGM Sales for Indian-based MNC, Manager Sales and Marketing for Indian-based MNC, HR Manager for Indian-based MNC, Account Manager, Sales and Marketing for French-based MNC, Paint Shop Operator, Team Member for US-based MNC, Officer, Safety, EHS for Indian-based MNC, Deputy Manager, Channel Partner for German-based MNC, Assistant Manager, Sales for Indian-based MNC, Key Accounts Manager for French-based MNC, Engineer Customer Service for German-based MNC, Assistant Design Engineer for Indian-based MNC. Other than that, we have many more opportunities. We request you to share your resume with us through the scanner.